How to add app shortcuts to desktop. What's up everybody? In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily add app shortcuts to your desktop. So let's say if I want to add a shortcut for Epic Games Launcher, what I can do is search for Epic Games Launcher here and then click on Open File Location. Now it will directly take me to the shortcut page. Now what you can do again is right click on it and then from here again go to Open File Location. Now you'll have to find the exe file right here. Just right click on the file and then click on show more option. Go to send to and then create a desktop shortcut. Click on it and a desktop shortcut will be created right here. So if you just click on it, double click on it, it will automatically launch Epic Games Launcher or any other apps that you've set up the shortcut for, and you should be good to go. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.